What a day!
Hey, Dave.
I'm glad it's not raining. I'm very happy to see all you guys here. Obviously, this is a special day. I'm sorry, honey. I'm trying to hold it together.
It's okay. Your brother Peter's gonna cry too. There you go.
Yeah, it's contagious.
I thought you were talking about the truck.
I'm trying to hold the truck together.
Don't hit it.
Get your phone. I heard a rattle over there.
Yeah. 34 years ago, this summer, this guy here, Brother Pete, lived a lifelong dream. He rode his bicycle from coast to coast. It was during that trip and living that lifelong dream of his that he found this truck in Missouri.
Preston, Missouri.
Preston, Missouri. And he ended up driving it home. And you can take a look later. You can see the last remnants of the Missouri registration sticker.
Oh, really?
Still on the windshield of the truck.
And when I saw this, I had my eyes open for trucks. I always wanted an old truck. And I was actually in a convenience store in western Missouri, where it's like a little podunk town with hardly anybody there. And I was in there getting a Gatorade, and I asked the guy, I said, "Gee, you know anybody who might have an old truck for sale?" And this big old pot-bellied guy with a ponytail said, "I know, there's a guy right down the road's got one."
Alex's grandfather.
He was bigger than Alex. And this guy was driving a trike with a V8 engine in it. So he took me out in the trike, sitting on the back, holding on for life, went down the road to where this truck was, and I made a deal with a guy that was selling it. Susan wired me some money. Back in those days, you couldn't just swipe an ATM, or before ATMs and stuff. So she wired me some money. I put a deposit down on it. Finished the bike ride in Phoenix. Put the bike in a box and put it on a Greyhound bus. Went back to Preston, Missouri. Concluded the deal and put the bike in the back and drove home. Well, actually drove to Ohio.
Yeah. And that's where I first saw the truck at Grandma and Aunt Marcy's house in Ohio when Dad and Susan and I pulled in, and it was parked. And that was the first time I saw it, and I've loved it from that moment. And through the years, you know, Peter used it for a work truck for years in the market. So I've busted his chops relentlessly for that entire 17 years. When are you going to put that thing on the road? When are you going to do something with that thing? If you don't do something with that truck, I'm going to do it. And eventually it became, how's my truck doing? What's happening with my truck? So eventually the kids are starting to get old enough to drive. Peter needs a garage space. And Meg made the deal for my birthday one year. And that was probably 10 or 12 years ago. I can't say how much I appreciate all the help I've had, because this is something I never, ever could have done by myself. So Alex, thank you. The brakes are working fine, I guess. We're not crashing yet.
That's awesome.
A long time coming.
Yeah, sure. It sure was.
She's done a ton of work on it. I give a lot of credit. Sticking with the project. And
Yep. A little bit at a time.
Yep.
Oh, they made it to the gas station. Hallelujah.
We didn't have to push them.
Nope.
Hey, you guys went down the hill like a late day.
I told him, I said, well, slow down.
I'm dying. I couldn't even catch up with you guys.
He's got a 427 Camaro. We got a little six-banger. He's like, if we leave him in the dust.
Chris says they're gone. I said, I hope that thing's got brakes, man, because they took off.
It does have brakes, thank God.
This is the first time this thing been at a gas station in how many years, John?
Wow. Since he drove
No,
it.
it's got to be
30 years.
30 years.
At least 30 years.
And what was gas 30 years ago?
When we were going cross country, it was about $1.07.
Yeah.
$1.07. Oh,
So,
yeah.
now there's Dean.
Alright, we're going to stop and switch here instead of going all the way back.
You did?
Aren't that terribly expensive? Yeah, it's just terribly expensive to insure them and register them and all that other shit.
Yep.
Here we go.
All right, here we go. Back on the road.
John living the dream.
Yep, he's
Literally.
He's living a dream. Oh, he's feeling it out.
We're heading on the highway, man.
Well, I'll video you guys as we're passing you guys.
Yeah.